Hey you! Let me show you how to set an activity goals on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Oh, let's get started. And to set a goal, we just need to find an activity app. For this, let's just press the digital crown to open all of the applications, and here it is. So we can set a goal for each of the options. Stand, then we have move here and exercise. Let's set a goal for the move first. For this, let's just tap the plus or minus and set a goal, for example, to 500 calories. And now it is displayed right here on the screen, and as you can see, I have burned only 79 calories, which is 15%. Let's move on to the exercise. As before, tap this icon and then set a goal. And it is also displayed right here. And the last thing is stand. So let's just choose, for example, 10 hours. And that's it. If you want to track your activity, just use this health app which is installed on your phone. And here in the summary, you will be able to see all of your activity during the day, week, and so on. And also, you can enable to get notifications when you close your exercise circles, move circles, and so on. For this, now open the Watch app and go in the Activity tab. And right here, just enable these goal completions by tapping on this switcher. And now you will receive a notification when you close your move, exercise, and stand wins or earn an award. And that's it. Now you know how to set goals on your Apple Watch SE. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.